Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you a new feature that we've implemented in Phoretix 1D based on users' feedback to allow them to measure very faint bands and measure very small changes in intensity of their image. Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be showing you a new feature that we've implemented in Phoretix 1D that will allow you to really accurately quantify very faint bands. So as you can see in this image, I've got a lot of very faint bands within the lanes to the right hand side of the image. Now I can just kind of play with the contrast and try and get a better visualization on those. But to more accurately quantify them, I can also come down to our new feature focus mode, which is in our bands mode. So I'll just do the automatic lane detection there. Background subtraction doesn't matter. If I come down to the bands mode, I'll run my automatic band detection. And it's actually done a pretty good job, but as you can see, it's kind of merged these very faint bands, these small peaks, into one larger peak. So if I wanted to very accurately decide where those bands are, if I right click and come to toggle focus mode, you can see that now that full lane view has been expanded to match the entire size of my screen. So if you've got a larger screen, you'll be able to expand that to match the full width of the screen. And then you can come in and edit as usual. So left click and drag where you want to place a band, and you can move the edges by left clicking on the edges of the band markers. And you've got all the options you do in the main view, so you can split bands, and then if you want to leave the focus mode, so you don't want to be zoomed in on the one band, you want on the one lane, sorry, you want to see all of your other lanes. If you right click and toggle focus mode again, you can return to the main Phoretix 1D screen. So that's a really handy tool for quantifying very faint bands that you might find it difficult to see on the image here, but then also find it difficult to see on the lane profile here, just because you are looking for such a small change. You can really zoom into the full lane profile and view it on your screen. And you do also get the slice of the image as you do within the main view, blown up to match the entire size of your screen within focus mode as well. So you can line up what you'd be seeing on the image with the data that you're extracting from that image in terms of the lane profile. As ever, thanks for watching, and if you'd be interested in trialing a free copy of our Phoretix 1D software in your lab with your data, please check out the links in the description below.